pretty much the home screen of the application, and at the home screen you pretty much be able to enter your prompt or anything that you want to generate as it relates to your music, and as well you can add your own audio as well as the representation, and as well an image, the representation as it relates to the music that you want to generate. As well, if you don't have any idea or what you want to generate, you can always tap on the inspiration option here, and it will give you the random thing that which you can use to generate a song. As well, we can enable instrumental or background music to generate your song. Do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription or let's say credits to generate your songs. So you can see here this pretty much you will need pretty much 14 credits to start generating your song. So I don't have any credits or anything like that. I've accidentally tapped on the credit generation option here, and it won't generate because I don't have any subscription. But anyways, in the custom option, you'll be able to enter your own lyrics and as well your own style as it relates to your music, whether I want to be rock and so forth. You all understand that. And as well, if I do go back here, you also have other options which you can select as it relates to the influence, as it relates to the voice that you want to use, whether it be a male voice or a female voice. You can select that option here, and as well you can add negative prompts or things that you do not want in your music, which is very good. I've yet to see any application with this feature. And as well you can enable or enter the title of the song or whatever you want to name your song. As well, whether you want the language of the song to be English, French, or any one of these languages. You can tap on the see all option to see all the available language for this application here. So once you have pretty much select everything that you need as it relates to that, you can pretty much start generating your music. So over here, if I do tap on this option here, you pretty much will see all the music that's being generated. As you can see, currently 2 musics being generated because I've accidentally tapped on the generation option. And as you can see, I only have 1 credit left. You do get free 15 credits to generate your music. I forgot to mention, do get free 15 credits to generate your music, which can test out the application. As you can see here, these are pretty much their prices as it relates to their subscription and how much credits you'll be getting with each subscription. Here you have an annual subscription, you have a 6-month subscription, and a weekly subscription. And as well, if you do want more credits, do keep in mind if you use off all of the credits before the subscription is finished, you can as well go at the top up option and be able to get the subscription or the credits option to pretty much buy more credits, but you have to have a subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that there. As you can see here, these are pretty much the music that's being generated right now. And as well, if you do tap on the home option, you can see other music that's been generated by other people around the world, and as well you can listen and as well download these musics. So for example, this one here, you can tap on the option here, and as you can see there, you can tap on this here and I'll be able to download the music, show the lyrics or pretty much the information as it relates to the lyrics of the song, and as well you can copy the lyrics if I want. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much as it relates to it. Very simple to use, and if you still do not understand how to use it, just comment below, or if you have any problem, comment below and I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.